Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the Digital Navigator. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top bank accounts in the UK for 2023. So whether you're looking to switch or open a new account, we've got you covered. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm merely providing you with information and data that I collected myself when I wanted to open a bank account. So hopefully you find the information here helpful when trying to find a bank account suitable for yourself. So if you end up liking one of the banks that I recommend, I suggest that you do your own research or maybe give them a call and ask them all sorts of questions before you create an account with them. So I would like to start by mentioning that it's a common misconception that switching bank accounts is a hassle. But with the current account switching service, it's fairly easy. All your payments, direct debits, and standing orders will be transferred automatically, and your new bank will even close your old account for you. So let's jump right in and find the perfect account for you. Well, the first thing I want to talk about is the best current account for switching. The best bank for switching in 2023 in the UK currently is Monzo. And why? It's because they offer a hassle-free switching service and a £150 cash bonus if you switch and deposit at least £1,000 within the first 3 months. There are a few more reasons why Monzo stands out as an excellent choice for those considering a switch. First off, the mobile banking app is renowned for its user-friendly interface and extensive features. It helps you track your spending, set budgets, and save money with their pots feature, which allows you to put away a little bit of money here and there, which all adds up, ultimately making it an amazing option for switching. Next up, we have the best banking app, in which Starling Bank completely crushes it. Starling Bank's app is a cut above the rest, having won multiple awards for its user-friendly design and broad range of features. It is a banking app that truly understands what its customers need, because it offers real-time notifications for incoming and outgoing transactions, budgeting tools, saving goals, and the ability to split bills with friends. Plus, it also allows for seamless international money transfers, all within a couple of taps on your screen. So one feature that the app completely stands out with is the Spaces function, which allows you to create separate pots for your various financial goals. If you're saving up for a holiday, a new gadget, or if you're just setting aside money for a rainy day, Spaces can help you organize and visualize your financial goals. The app also integrates Google Pay and Apple Pay, which makes it more convenient for contactless payments. And I must also mention some of the security features, as the app allows you to lock your card if lost or stolen, change your PIN, and control how your card is used, such as disabling ATM withdrawals and online payments, for example. The interface itself is clean, intuitive, and aesthetically pleasing. Navigating through the app is a breeze even for those who don't really know much about tech. And if you ever run into trouble, the Starling's customer support is just a few taps away. These features and more make the Starling's banking app, in my opinion, number one. So moving on, let's talk about the best current account for spending in 2023. That is none other than Revolut. So what makes Revolut stands out in this category? Well, for starters, Revolut offers a brilliant spending overview, which allows you to monitor and categorize your expenditures in real time. If you, for example, spend too much money on food, or for example, you shop a lot for clothes, the spending overview can help you identify your spending habits, which makes it ultimately easier to manage your budget. Revolut also shines when it comes to international spending, as the bank offers fee-free spending in over 150 currencies at the interbank exchange rate, which is a godsend for frequent travelers. There's also no fee for ATM withdrawals for up to £200 per month. In addition, Revolut's app allows you to set monthly spending limits and sends you instant payment notifications, which means you're always in control of your finances, and this feature, along with the ability to freeze your card in the app, adds an extra layer of your security to the account. The bank has also partnered with several brands which offers cashback and discounts to its customers. So if you're a savvy spender, this could save you a significant amount of money in the long run. So if you're someone who uses their bank card frequently, whether locally or internationally, I think Revolut is an excellent choice with its user-friendly app, great security, and slew of features which are designed to help you monitor and control your spending. Which is why I think it is the best current account for spending. Next up, we have the best current account for bills. So for the title of the best current account for handling bills, the title undoubtedly goes to the Santander 123 current account, and here is why. This account offers up to 3% cashback on selected household bills paid by direct debit. This includes council tax, gas and electricity, mobile, home phone, broadband, and paid for TV packages, which means every time you're paying for your bills, you are getting something back. But what makes the 123 account even more remarkable is its comprehensive mobile banking app, which comes with a Spendalytics feature. This tool helps you track and analyze your income and expenses, including your regular bills, providing you with a comprehensive view of your financial health. So in summary, the reason the Santander 123 account is the best account for bills is because it doesn't only help you manage your bills more effectively, but it also rewards you for it. So now we will move on to the best current account for rewards. So speaking of rewards, the best current account for this purpose has to be the NatWest Reward account. As with this account, you can earn 2% in rewards on 7 types of household bills paid by direct debit. This includes council tax, mobile phone utilities, and others. You can also earn at least 1% in rewards at partner retailers when you use your NatWest debit card. But that's not all. The NatWest Reward account also gives you access to My Rewards, which is a portal that you can trade your rewards for cash, trade up to gift cards or codes at their partner retailers. Or you can also donate to a selection of charities. The choice is completely yours. Now let's talk savings. The nationwide Flex Direct is my top pick for the best current account for savings in 2023. And the reason for that is all about the interest rate. The nationwide Flex Direct account offers a whopping 2% AER on balances up to £1,500 for the first 12 months. It is a rate that's hard to beat in the current market, and it is an excellent choice for those looking to maximize their savings. The account also comes with the possibility of a fee-free overdraft for the first 12 months, which could come in handy if you find yourself a bit short some months. Just remember that this rate drops after the first year, so it's a good idea to review your options as you approach that milestone. Finding a current account with a good overdraft facility can be crucial, especially for students or those just starting out in their careers. And my top pick for the best 0% overdraft current account in 2023 is the HSBC student account. This account offers a guaranteed interest-free overdraft of £1,000 when you open your account, with the possibility of increasing this amount for up to £3,000 over time, subject to status at how your account is managed. Just keep in mind that while an overdraft can be a useful safety net, it's important to manage it responsibly to avoid falling into debt. So always keep an eye on your balance and your budget accordingly. Finally, if you're conscious about where your money is being invested, the best ethical current account in 2023 is the one offered by Triodos Bank. Triodos is known for its commitment to ethical banking, investing only in projects and companies with social, cultural, or environmental benefits. With a Triodos current account, you can be assured that your money is helping to make a positive impact on the world. Their online and mobile banking platforms also make managing your money very straightforward. So while the bank's clear and transparent approach means you'll always know exactly what's happening with your money, which is why it is the best ethical bank that you can open a current account with. However, to really wrap things up, the best bank account for you will ultimately depend on your personal circumstances and the banking needs. I hope that this video has given you a good starting point in your search for the best current account in the UK in 2023. But remember to always read the small print and understand the terms and conditions before opening a new bank account. So that will be all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this content helpful or enjoyable, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more similar videos in the future.